ya Alhamis tariki 14 cy'umutunyi 11 umwaka w'iga 2024 kinga kyabaruki gwabagendera muna matemu abamanekirasi gi 12 case bwingi ngoro kwa Kevin Onkoba kurwa sensemelia ye manyirio niga kurwa Wilson Makore kabana ntui komole kakurwa ase kinsemo ao imensi ya Kenya kubatkana amo nogo konga kubugimana boigo obututukano bogentwana kigwa asomurobulio o Social Health Insurance Fund gose chief ni gorit korialero aba bishop kurwa achinsemo ao namno kurwa sedini yege katoliki babirwa gwesokya nakogendera komotia serikali yo muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto kubatkana amo no kuburwa kwa abantu ase kinchira cy'obututukano naboigo obututukano bogentwana kigwa asensemlia Social Health Authority abange nigo babirwa kubolia serikali go n'obwasyo.
We are appalled by the blatant recurring incidents of reported abductions, disappearances, torture and killings of Kenyans. We also decry the increasing murder of women. This has caused great consternation, anger and disgust. Many families are still grappling with the loss of their children who are brutally killed.
Now owed billions in dues is an issue we have addressed constantly, even with the hiking of the missionary work permits, youth unemployment, regulations of the education system, especially the CB.
Kureto kwirana ase county ya Kisii munencheremo yokonekinga abana babiri bagutangwa kurwa asogo
enchera mpadara ya kumputura abana babasini bayaruka babite myaka jakera myaka sita baga myaka 11 abona bayiriri babaliza somera gaski etokwa omoyonga abana bambasome gukiriganira ubulubwa ukwaruti abana banyaruka
vile nimesema
kuna babushoboye ko batiye ama ukwaruti
kare kamera
tunawafunza culture. Immunization rates in some counties and polio outbreaks in neighboring countries is safe, so it is national quality to be safe and very effective. As of yesterday, we have been able to vaccinate way over 3 today.
Kureto kwirana sensemeli county ya Baringo musawa ya mobu imeke 25 kurwa ase
hajaonekana. Mjamaa huo tunaona tu tunaenda tu. Monday tulikuta yeye kwa karibu Catholic huko, tuliona tu melala hivi
ya kuwa ndugu yangu alitenda kitendo cha unyama akaua, ambaye nilipoangalia vizuri sana na kuuliza nikapata kiini ni ya kuwa eti mke wake huyo ambaye amekuwa naye amekuwa ni mke mwenye amekuwa akitangatanga na akapatana na askari. Manake kijana alikuwa ameshamua ya kuwa kabisa.
Tukwirana asensemo ni kubatkana amuno muchando bumurakera n'enchara asinsemo ao imensi ya Kenya. Nigori korialero muri kibotambe ase wizara ya Internal Security and National Administration muske Raymond Omolo abereka gwasoke na otamna niga serikali
disputes on agenda. From these experiences we've learned that our communities, particularly in vulnerable regions, are often the primary target. We have regrettable
insa ikomi chiabon magoro nabo go chinga kiabari kibaito ba mangana maya